Whales are accumulating these four altcoins. AAVE could be seeing a big surge after this new tokenomics update, and render spikes after its recent rebrand. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, the not financial advice, and wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin has recovered most of its losses from the week as traders wait to see what happens when former United States President Donald Trump takes the stage at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, Tennessee. 10x Research CEO Marcus Thielen wrote in a July 25th analyst note, "Nobody wants to short Bitcoin into the weekend." Thielen explained that there are high expectations that Trump will announce plans for a strategic Bitcoin reserve at the Bitcoin conference on July 27th, should he be elected as US President in November. Thielen believes that future traders are holding off on taking short positions on Bitcoin because they fear its price may surge. Because if Trump announced a strategic reserve, Bitcoin would gap higher. Future trader positions are heavily skewed towards longs. Even a slight retrace back to $65,000 will put $1.11 billion worth of long positions at risk. Thielen noted that the US Treasury has gold reserves valued at $600 billion, while the government has confiscated Bitcoin worth $15 billion. However, Thielen said there's a chance Trump might reveal his intentions to adjust the balance between the two assets. Trump could indicate his intention of increasing the ratio to about 10% of the gold reserves, if not higher. He predicts that even a mention of this could cause the market to run with the news without needing to wait until November.
And Bitcoin, by the way, also higher by more than 1% today after the former president appears to have changed his tune on the digital currency this election cycle. Back in 2019, let's recall, he said, "I'm not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are not money and whose value is highly volatile and based on thin air. Unregulated crypto can facilitate unlawful behavior, including drug trade and other illegal activity." Again, this was the president in a tweet from 2019. Well, fast forward to last month. While campaigning for president once again, he's presented himself as a champion of Bitcoin after posting this on Truth Social, quote, "Vote for Trump, Bitcoin mining may be our last line of defense against a central bank digital currency. Biden's hatred of Bitcoin only helps China, Russia, and the radical communist left. We all want the remaining Bitcoin to be made in the USA. It will help us be energy dominant." This Saturday, Trump is scheduled to speak at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, where rumors are swirling that he will announce plans to make Bitcoin a strategic reserve asset.
This week, crypto whales decided to buy into some altcoins, even though their performance did not match the previous week. However, the clear accumulation signals confidence in the cryptocurrency's near-term potential. The top three coins that whales accumulated this week include Arbitrum, XRP, and Ondo. Including Arbitrum in this list could be a shock, as Arbitrum trades at 73 cents, and even though this is a fleeting increase in the last 24 hours, it's nothing compared to the 57.5% decline on a year-to-date basis. Regardless of the token's price condition, crypto whales bought the altcoin in good faith at a level not seen in a long while. According to Into the Block, the large holders' net flow jumped by a staggering 870% in the last 7 days. Next on the list of altcoins is XRP, which has recently enjoyed goodwill in the market. According to Sentiment, the number of addresses holding 100 million to 1 billion tokens has increased since July 23rd. As of that period, this cohort supply was 38%. However, at the time of writing, it has risen sharply to 40%, suggesting an increase in whale confidence in the token. Ondo's price may be down 33% from its all-time high, but crypto whales seem to think that the current price is offering a discount. This altcoin has seen a high level of institutional interaction and adoption over the past months. However, data from Into the Block shows the interest from large entities and deep-pocketed individuals may not stop anytime soon. Cardano has seen a whopping 10,878% surge in large holders inflow within a single day, spiking above the 5 billion ADA mark. The cryptocurrency market has witnessed a revival in investor interest. Altcoins like Cardano are leveraging the ongoing push to recoup the losses suffered earlier this month. ADA is currently up 31% from its July 5th low of 31 cents. Amid this bullish move, Cardano appears to be commanding more investor interest in recent times. Interestingly, data from Into the Block shows that large holders have taken to accumulating more ADA tokens in anticipation of a full-blown recovery. Notably, the large holders inflow assesses how much funds are flowing into addresses holding at least 35.89 million ADA, worth $15 million. This figure represents 0.1% of Cardano's circulating supply, and this tier of addresses is worth watching, as their activity can bolster chances of a rebound. Chainlink has recently announced an exclusive integration. It's reportedly integrated its Chainlink CCIP with Truflation across Ethereum, Base, and Arbitrum blockchain platforms to drive Truff transactions across the chains. Backed by Coinbase and Chainlink, Truflation is a leading DRP, or Definite Reference Point Protocol, for economic truth that's powering the tokenization of real-world assets with its independent, transparent, and real-time financial data. Tracking over 13 million items, Trueflation censorship-resistant and accessible data indexes provide the necessary data infrastructure to bring about systemic advancements in the DeFi economy, empowering dApps like DEXs to open limitless markets. Trueflation has chosen CCIP as its prioritized interoperability solution due to Chainlink status. It added that Chainlink possesses the most proven history of sustaining the biggest reliability and security standard in Web3. Moreover, CCIP reportedly gets support from the Risk Management Network. It's an autonomous network that keeps on overseeing and validating cross-chain activities for suspicious operations. These extra security layers have a huge importance in line with past market exploits. In this respect, consumers lost billions because of the unreliable and insecure cross-chain infrastructure. Crypto exchange Binance has announced more trading services for Render following a token swap and rebranding. The token has been added to a slew of trading services, including features and trading pairs, among others. The initial reaction has been positive, following the largest crypto exchange supporting the asset with a 5% price jump. Binance has opened trading services to Render tokens after a rebrand, raising holders' enthusiasm in the market. In a July 26 announcement, the company noted that the asset has been added to a group of services, including Binance Simple Earn, Convert, Buy Crypto, and among others. With this addition, users can subscribe to the asset's flexible products on Simple Earn. Similarly, the asset was added to Binance Margin and futures trading, which will make it a borrowable asset on cross and isolated margins. The new listing comes after the Render rebrand and token swap from RNDR. On July 22nd, the platform delisted all Render spot trading pairs alongside the cancellation of related orders. Render is now trading at $6.90, up 5% in the last 24 hours, while maintaining a 7.5% jump this week. The price of AAVE, the governance token for the largest lending protocol in the decentralized finance ecosystem, spiked on Thursday with the proposal of a new governance proposal aimed at changing the cryptocurrency's tokenomics, as well as the protocol setting a 2-year high in borrowing. The governance submission proposes to create a clear roadmap for implementing a fee switch for staked AAVE and having a way for the token to collect rewards generated from the protocol revenue. If the proposal passes, staked AAVE will still be compensated in AAVE tokens, but a new buy and distributed program funded by the protocol's new excess revenue will be introduced. The program would obtain AAVE assets on secondary markets and then distribute those assets to the protocol's ecosystem reserve. The new system is expected to introduce a constant demand side for the AAVE assets on the secondary markets, according to the proposal. Once the governance proposal receives community feedback, the submission will move to a snapshot vote, an off-chain mechanism to gauge sentiment on the potential changes. With higher levels of borrowing, AAVE as a protocol generates more revenue because users who borrow assets have to pay back the amount borrowed plus interest.